Meaning of Guinea-Bissau.
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 Guinea-Bissau. Guinea-Bissau is a country located in West Africa. The name Guinea comes from the Guinea region, which is in the southern part of the continent, while Bissau refers to the capital city. Formerly a Portuguese colony, Guinea-Bissau gained independence in 1973. The country has a diverse population with multiple languages spoken, including Portuguese and Creole. Its economy is largely dependent on agriculture, particularly cashew nuts, and it faces challenges such as political instability and drug trafficking. Despite these difficulties, Guinea-Bissau has a rich cultural heritage and is known for its music, dance, and festivals.